I am Quan Yin. The vibration of compassion opens doorways and ushers new light in. We use that term usher, for the light is coming. Your embracing of your own fears and coming into wholeness within your own beings is allowing that light to be guided and ushered into the planet in a way that is less disruptive. I am Quan Yin. Let the light in. Drawing deep down into the depths of your body, using your breath and using the tone of your voice, drop the voice into the belly and bring the tone up from the belly. Feel it coming up through your body, just like waterfall, just like water would come up in a geyser from the center of the earth. It would come up and it would burst forward and it would flow out. You are bringing the voice up from the root and the belly. You are traveling up, like the energy lava of a volcano comes from the center of the earth, up through the volcano and comes down to the surface of the earth. I am Quan Yin. Feel deeply within your gut, your inner knowing, your fear of your inner knowing and your inner knowing, both things coming together, and breathe them up through the body, toning. Tone together 9 times, I am Quan Yin, all the while leaving the receiving palm open, the left palm open and up to receive. Om. 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 Now if you think of honey on a warm day, dripping and flowing, and you think of the richness of that substance, the special power of that energy, special power brought by the bees from the flower, the special energy in that golden waterfall, that flow. And you think of your breath now as you draw it up from the belly, and you bring it up the center of your body. And you think of your breath as you draw it up from your root and you bring it up through the belly in the center of your body. And you think of that energy as you pull it up from the lower parts of the body, the lower roots, and you bring it in and up through the solar plexus and the heart. Taking the time to feel and see the process. This is opening your heart. This is helping you be aware. This is helping you integrate the energies. For the divine vibration of the male and the divine vibration of the female, the mother, the father, the yin and the yang are coming together into greater wholeness, coming together and bringing up any parts within the self or within the structures of healing, of religion, and politics that are not aligned with one another. The male and the female energies must align, especially in these 3 main areas of your world, and you will see the alignment in them. Holding the palms open, hold a vision. Hold a vision of balance. Hold a vision of balance, even if you didn't realize there was such imbalance in your medical world, your healing world. There was such imbalance in your political world, your government. See it as imbalance between the mother and the father, the divine feminine and the divine masculine. Breathe in now. Feel the wholeness of your awareness moving through. Feel the parts in yourself that were at odds coming together. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin.